Hello, my name is Florian. We are here at the Omicron Lab booth and I would like to introduce you to our newest product edition. That's the BTCA impedance test fixture for our Bode 500 vector network analyzer. If you don't know the Bode 500, that's a low frequency VNA, and by low frequency I mean it starts at 1 Hz and it goes up to 450 megahertz, which for RF people is still considered low frequency. For me it feels a lot like RF, I have to say. So the BTCA is a test adapter that converts the coaxial N-type connectors to a card edge or edge card connector. And we have the capacitor directly soldered to the test card, and there are different types of test cards. In blue we have the shunt through setup, which is suitable for low impedance values, and we have a calibrator that brings the reference plane directly to the device on the test with open, short and load calibration that we can perform on the fixture. And then you can take the soldered device on the test and place it in the fixture to make a measurement. You can measure impedance of components, small SMD components, up to 450 megahertz. So you could, for example, measure the frequency response of a filter inductor, or of a power inductor, or of ceramic capacitors or tantalum capacitors. At the moment, I'm sweeping a ceramic capacitor over frequency, and I can see the impedance plot over frequency. We have from 100 Hz to roughly 1 megahertz, we have the capacitive slope, where phase is minus 90 degrees and the impedance is falling with a slope of minus 1. And then we have the self-resonance frequency here at around 1 megahertz, a nice little oscillation or a high order resonance, and then inductance kicking in. We have parasitic inductance of roughly 450 picohenry that brings up the impedance over frequency above 1 megahertz. Here we see the capacitance over frequency, and here the inductance over frequency after the resonance frequency. So yeah, it's measuring live. You can see the curve updating. When I change to a tantalum capacitor, I just take out that card, I put in another card, and then the impedance is updating. If you don't like cards, we also have throw-hole type fixtures, and we have a clamp-on SMD fixture for the Bode 100 or the Bode 500. So if you're interested, check out our website on omicronlab.com and get in contact with us.